Welcome to TTG Tidbits, a series where we cover quick tips and tricks to help improve your DIY digital marketing skills in 2 minutes or less. Today, we'll be covering Facebook ad transparency. So if you didn't know it, Facebook has a way for you to review the ads that are running on your own profile and your competitors. Anyone who's running ads on Facebook right now, you can look at that. So what you want to do is you want to go to facebook.com/ads/library. And here you'll want to look the country that you're interested in and all ads. Then you can put in any business that you're interested in. So here's our business, and yes, we're running ads right now. You can see when the ads were launched and the various platforms they are running on. You cannot see the exact targeting of who they're for, meaning you won't know age, gender, area of the country other than US. So you won't know if we've narrowed it down. I would recommend you use this tool as a way to review ads for your business, review businesses that might be larger than you to get creative marketing ideas, and also as a way to see what your competitors might be running in your market or other markets. This tool is a fabulous tool to help you level up your business. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more tidbits in the future. If you have any questions or feedback, leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.